Here I have a Wega Sony TV. Doesn't turn on. Power button is flashing 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So let's find out what is wrong. This is one of the smallest TVs that I've ever worked on. It looks like it's an LCD. Has the very high voltage here, 250 volts, that go into the backlights right here. So let's try out the fuse. Fuse is okay. Try out this diode. So what I'm going to do is just test the backlights here using my backlight tester. And you can turn off the light here. You can see the light in the back go on. So one thing to check is just plug in your TV and check the standby voltage. So it gives you the voltages here. You should be getting 16 volts on ground, and I'm getting that. And then the LCD to ground, you should be getting 5 volts. So I'm getting 5 volts and then 16 volts. So that kind of shows you that your power supply board is okay. And then on your main board, it gives you standby 5 volts. So this is indicating that the logic board is bad. So I'll be taking off the logic board. To do that, you can pull out these ribbons. Just wiggle them side to side. We should unplug it first here. And then this bottom one has a little tab. So it's probably something to do with this board here. So we'll see if we can repair this board. If we can't, we may have to buy a replacement. But what I do is I'm just going to check on some capacitors. If it's a problem with one of these ICs, so you can order it just using this code here. It's a Sony B board and gives you the code on that sticker. Alright, check these capacitors, seeing if we get any short. So I'm reading a short on these capacitors. So let's inject some voltage here on this capacitor. This is the positive side. This is the negative side. So what I ended up doing is I found a short on this capacitor, but I'm pretty sure that the capacitor wasn't the issue. There's some other short somewhere inside this circuitry. And so I injected, so this is the black tab is negative, this is negative and positive. You can inject voltage in this capacitor, just measure that. It could be to do with the chip or something. And I just used about 3 volts at, it was about 3 amps. And that blew out the short. And now I can turn on the TV. Before it was giving 3 standby light flashing. The standby light flashing was doing it 3 times. Now I plugged it in. You can hear the TV's on. You can see the TV's on.
Love you back. What kind of love is that? There's something special about it.